So, my original intro video got deleted for some reason. It disappeared from my phone. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna try to do this all over again. Um, I haven't done very many lava lamp content or lava lamp videos recently. I don't know why, but I'm back here again with this one. I've been wanting to restore this Lava-Light Squiggle Aristocrat here, made by the Lava-Simplex International Corporation. This is a later, or it's actually an earlier one. It's from probably the late 60s, 68, 69 probably. Um, it's got no pinholes in the base, yellow fabric on the bottom, and it has a lower level of wax in it. Now, I want, for the past 5 or so years I've had this, it has flowed horribly. Now, when I first got it, the fluid was clear. It was the original fluid. But as I ran it, it clouded over. So I replaced the fluid, and ever since then it's had the worst bubbling problem where a fluid bubble will rise up from the bottom to the top. I think the wax is just going bad or something. So, this is a substitute, or actually not really a substitute, but it is a replacement kit that I obtained. Now, this is similar to the Magma Tower goo kit that you remember I ordered a long time ago, back in, I want to say like 2015 or something like that, to fix a smaller 32-ounce, actually with a 20-ounce lava lamp, which was kind of pointless looking back on it. But this is the equivalent to that, because Magma Tower sadly went out of business during the pandemic. So it comes with a funnel, 3 colors of wax, or wax dyes, which are the primary colors, which is really handy because Magma Tower they gave you blue, yellow, no, what was it? Blue, yellow, and green, or something like that, which was kind of pointless because with the prime colors you can mix them together. And they also give you surfactant and cleaning solution, which is pretty cool. Now, this one, currently I have it, the wax melting. I'm going to pour the wax into a container to save it, in case I do something with it. I don't know. But anyway, yes, that's where I am at right now. So I will check in again, and I'll show you where I'm at. Alright, well, I first put a little bit of surfactant and distilled water at the bottom of the globe. Actually, well, before that I removed the wax and cleaned the globe as best I could with the supplied cleaner, and I put the surfactant in with a little bit of distilled water, swirled that around as the instructions say, and then I melted my wax on the stove, poured it in to the globe, and now, the coil was in there already, I cleaned that as well. We're going to dye it. So we have blue, red, and yellow. I'm going to mix blue and yellow together to make green, so I'm going to see what I can do here. Alright, I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. Not very well, because it looks a little transparent. But it is green. Probably because I turned the light off. 1 second. There you go. So you can see it is green, but it's a little transparent. So that does look pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm going to let it cool down, and then we'll put the distilled water and surfactant in and dye the fluid. Alright guys, well, I've finished the kit, and I've had to do a little tweaking to the globe, but I did get it flowing, as you can see, and it's flowing really nicely, actually. I'm actually very impressed. Now the camera does kind of wash out the color a little bit. It is a very, actually green. It's not like a red or pink like it's appearing in the camera for some reason. You can see down there, towards the edges, it actually is green. But it just shows up as like a weird reddish pink. But yeah, it is flowing. And it's working very nicely. The liquid is crystal clear, the master fluid. So, once again, this is the Lava Lab Creations kit, the goo kit. Now, I did want to say that this cleaner is amazing. It just eats away the wax inside of the bottle, any excess. So it's really helpful. I really like the surfactant. I do have some extra wax left over as well as some dye. And I was able to, I think, replicate the sage green color pretty well of the wax, which you can't really tell on the camera, by mixing together increments of the blue and the yellow. So, yeah, and now I will do a time lapse of this lamp running for you guys as sort of like a final outro for this video. So thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.